What's happening, traders? Tim with TMO Capital. Let's break down how to leverage the daily plan. Now, this is probably one of the most important things that I put out on a daily basis for members. We put out a NASDAQ, NQ, and a S&P 500 ES daily plan each day. So today, it's a holiday, came out a little bit before market opened. So 7:25 a.m., just over an hour before market opened. And you can see we've got the correct date up there. We've got the symbol and contract that you're going to be trading off of, and then we've got a pivot zone. So the idea here is that price is going to bounce back and forth between these 2 points here, a high of 17,022 and a low of 16,950. And what you're going to see from that is you're eventually going to see price pick a direction. So then we've got target levels here to the upside, which is a bull case, and the downside, which is a bear case. So I then drop a little bit of additional information here, just letting everybody know that today, Martin Luther King Day, markets are actually closed for stocks and bonds. Futures are going to trade, part of why we trade futures. So might want to trade a little light today. And then detailing where the market went overnight in overnight trading. Also drop some info in here, letting people know that, hey, if you see these two levels come up, 16,937 to 40 might be a really, really good area to get long off of. Now, if we come over here, this is how it played out. You drop down to a low of 16,936, and then we absolutely rocketed off of that. So spent a little bit of time in this 36 and 40 range, and then big move up. So if you stayed patient, if you waited for my pullback into that area, then you had a really, really nice payoff off of 37, almost 40 points to the top side. So if you actually stay in this the entire way, a little bit over that 40-point range. And that was the bulk of the trading day. So you can see here is overnight data from the Sunday night open all the way into pre-market. So let's look at how these levels here play out. So this is a chart of MNQ. Let's switch over to the actual NQ that we would normally be trading. So if you're looking at it from this standpoint, and this is over the last couple of days that we've had this particular level, we're just not making a big move outside of this area, right? So this is your bear pivot back here at 950, 16,950 that you can see. So 16,950, and here's your bull pivot up here at 17,022. So if we push past 17,022, we're expecting to hit 1750. If we push past 1750, we're expecting to hit 1773, so on and so forth. Same thing to the downside. Now, let me minimize this other screen, and you can see we really haven't been able to punch above. So this was pre-market with PPI on CPI on Thursday, went up during regular trading hours. We couldn't quite move up to that level, dropped off. Same thing, PPI on Friday pre-market, you push up, regular trading hours, you just barely missed this level by 1 point. Trust me, I was kind of testy. I missed it by a point. I was looking to short off of exactly that level, had to chase it down to the downside. Not something I love to do. But this is also where we're getting the data to go ahead in this 37 to 40 range, right down here, just under 50, and buy off of. So overnight, you can see how well that played out right at open. And then also today during regular trading open, huge move off of there. But to the downside, target 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the old all-time high for NASDAQ futures at 16,767. But this is exactly the way you want to play the daily game plan. So good way to think about it. It's actually your roadmap to how to trade the market. So if we make a move up and get a good close above here, you're going to rocket to the upside, make a move below, get a nice close below here, and you're really going to see some sell-off. Target 1, 2, 3, and ultimately 4. Like I said, old all-time high, caught a huge amount of buyers down here, big demand zone, and just rocketed right back into the pivot zone. So this upcoming week, be interesting to see if we can finally make a move above that 17,022. One of the reasons why I think we may be able to do that is you have those Bitcoin ETFs that just got approved. So if those Bitcoin ETFs bring a lot more liquidity into the market, we might be able to see this continue to push to the top side. As always, don't have any bias. Look at the daily plan, play off the daily plan, and then start to target into those levels. So if you're long from here, target in target 1, target 2, target 3, you're taking off a little bit of size on each one of those moves. We've got a 5-day free trial if you'd like to come check these out in our Discord. And then it's just $99 a month after that. Would love to have you join up so you can start making profit like our members are right now.